touch me. You ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know a number to dial. Quit and that's it, I'ma throw in the towel, cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, better text what you know so you can thumble. We get into it and I stall on your ass, but I still wake up to miss calls from your ass. You don't keep my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Nah, nigga, nah, you won't have to call me, cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot, then you gon' be hot, nigga, cough. You gon' be sick to your stomach. Maybe when you free 1-800, it's emergency, call me 911. Cause right now I'm out here tryna find someone. The ring on my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't tryna do either. What's a good girl? Watch me turn diva. Here goes my heart. You don't keep my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. You used to be on my line, on my tail all the time, yeah. Love it when you make me feel like you don't mind when I ain't got time for you. You know it don't go to my head, I'm only ever getting there. I just love to know you wanna spend time with me and share. Now you all caught up, yeah, you all caught up, and you done left me alone, yeah. You was all fed up, ready for the next step, wanna be on your own. Said I just miss you, I just miss us, baby. All I know is you don't keep my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it. I can't keep this on the low. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. Where y'all all let you brag about your hoes, and you can tell your little bitch. I screenshotted all her naked pics. Oh, you wanna send news to my man? Wake up and see your boobs on the gram, little bitch. I cannot stand you, right hand to Jesus. I might just cut over tongues like your sneakers. Snatch the TV from best. Turn me in the left eye. I don't want to hear about invasion of privacy. I had a feeling it turns out you lie to me. I'm holding back everything that's inside of me. How you all fucking with bitches that follow me? My heart is beating like it's bleeding now. Sleeping like a baby. Everyone was right about you now.
Oh well, might as well just freaking reset my character. Oh no, my body parts. They're just, wow. I mean, where are you?
All I could see is you her in different scenarios. Beyonce on my stereo, resentment on repeat. I'ma make your bowl of cereal with a teaspoon of bleach. Serve it to.
I don't want to listen to music right now. Hey, no. Let's go. Come on. Ah! My body died. Oof. Let's go. Come on. Okay, let's go. Oh, hey, there's a player over there. Oh my god. Ugh. Free. How ironic. Ugh. Go steal the thing. Well, it's not mine. All my stuff is expensive. Why do I have to be the owner? I hate being the owner. Oh well, I have 16 cash. Make that 175. I think no, I get shah. Okay, there you go. Can I? Yeah. Okay. Woohoo! A gold. It's gold. I think I can get a couple of stuff like that. Let's see. Pew! It's a beach ball! This dude needs to stop. Must say to him. What the heck was that? Do the walls. It says, says, obviously. Why does this weirdo keep killing us? My god, it says free. It literally says free over here. I'll stop acting dumb. We have 3,000 cash. The walls, woman. Do the walls.